Good morning, everyone. This is Karen Fomafung, your Agile Evangelist. I have a very quick message, especially to Africans living in the diaspora. If you are a care worker, please listen to me very carefully. I just learned that a care worker based in the UK, on her way back from work, she slept off her steering. She got into a fatal accident and she lost her life. I have heard of 4 such stories within the space of 2 weeks. Another lady in Boston, she went to work. All of a sudden, she fainted and she passed. 2 other people, the same story. What's going on? What are you looking for? Why do you have to kill yourself? Because of what? Money? One thing I've realized with care workers is they will keep picking shift upon shift upon shift, 12-hour shift, 14-hour shift. They never ever have time to rest. Why are you doing that? I mean, is it not enough that you've traveled all the way from wherever you're coming from to better your life, and then you end up killing your own self because of what? Money? I mean, what I'm saying is just not strangers. I have family, I have sisters who does the same thing. They never rest. They keep picking shift upon shift upon shift, and they never ever find time to rest. This is what I have to tell you. You don't have to stay in the same place. I mean, I'm not saying that you don't have to keep working as a care worker. If that's something you're passionate about, I'm a strong advocate for doing what you're passionate about. If that's something you're passionate about, there are so many improvement opportunities, so many development opportunities. Develop yourself. Don't stay stagnant. Don't stay in the same position. Develop yourself. Look for courses, even if you have to go to school. Do that 2 years investment. Go to school. Improve yourself so that you don't have to feel the need to put in so many hours to achieve the same amount of money, which you may have been able to cut those hours into half and make even more than what you're killing yourself over. In the IT space, not only in the care space though, if you are doing that because you feel like you don't have a choice, I'm here to tell you that you have a lot of different opportunities, different options. In the IT space, there are so many opportunities out there in the IT space. You can become a Scrum Master. You can become a business analyst. You can become a security analyst. You can become a web designer, a programmer, all of that. You don't have to take a full academic program to become what I just said. Really, there are many crash courses out there you can take. Look for a mentor, develop yourself, and don't kill yourself over nothing, okay? Thank you so much. So one thing I also learned is that most Africans, they have 2 big problems. I mean, Africans in the diaspora, they have 2 big problems, which I think is the main cause of them finding themselves being stagnant, especially as healthcare workers. The first problem is that they don't even think it's possible. They don't think it's possible to do anything better than what they are currently doing. For some reasons, they think that corporate job is only for some category of people, not for them. That is the first thing. And then the second big problem, which is the worst, is the mindset. We are not familiar with self-investment. I noticed that you would see my fellow sister or brother, they would rather go spend almost $1,500 for a designer stuff just to go show off in a party or online, instead of investing that money on a course, on a mentorship program to develop themselves or to better up themselves so that they can have better opportunities that will buy them 50 of the same designers. That is a big problem. The mindset is the issue. As some of you may already know, I used to be a care worker too. So I'm not only talking from a yes standpoint, I'm talking from an informed and experienced standpoint. When I moved over to the United States, I did care work for 7 months. I knew that wasn't me. That wasn't for me at all. I mean, I love taking care of people. I love helping people to be better, to explore their full potential, but not in that direction. So I didn't just become what I am today overnight. It didn't happen. I had to self-invest. I have to self-invest in school. I have to self-invest in different courses, certification programs, communities of practice. Just learning by sharing the little I know. Through that, over the years, I am where I am today. This is to tell you that it is possible. It is very possible. Look at me. If I can do it, I say this all the time, any other person can do it too. Look, I am a staunch introvert by nature. So if that is one of your biggest challenge, you can always unlearn and relearn, really. You just need to do some research. Connect with people that are already doing something better than you. Connect with people that are already ahead of you. Don't be stuck in a circle of people that are just the same mindset as you. Learn, improve yourself, develop yourself, invest in yourself. Okay, invest in yourself and make your life better.